okay, any data sets whichever I want. I have so much data sets. So, I have taken the data sets here, right. Now, today we will learn that how to hide the column, how to unhide the column, how to hide the column, how to unhide, how to split, how to copy the entire data sets, right. Then how to sort, right. This all are available into the software only. How to sort based on hierarchy, that means what is the meaning of hierarchy? That means if I have a table, in the table we have a column that is called as country. So, how the hierarchy of the country will be there? Every country will be having a state, every state will be having city, right. So, this is a hierarchy, right. So, that is called as drill down, right. You want to drill your data sets, you want to expand the data set in deeper. So, I do not want to push the data only for the country specific, I will push a data such a way that if I want to see the data that is result based on hierarchy, I can see that. So, these are the features are available, these are the basic terminology are there on the Tableau. You have to explore in details, you will get more idea. That is what I am telling, just see the menu option, see if I click on particular menu, what is going to happen. If you are not performing this, then definitely no one can teach you anything and you cannot learn. So, I have this data sets what we have taken from the Tableau website only, the Superstore data sets, right. And hope you remember, I have data here, how can I view the data? Drag and drop, that is all, because that I have taught you that drag and drop data will be visible, but you will not explore anything. So, just you are telling drag and drop, but no one has look at here when my cursor goes on the particular sheet or table, there is something, it is a menu icon, it is hyphen dash dash 3 line, it is a tabular column, it is displaying, what is that? You will not explore, that is what I am telling. If you are not exploring, you will not learn. So, if you click here, it will the data, entire data set will pop up over here, whatever the data. Either you drag and drop or either you take in pop up. So, this entire data sets will appear like this. Without dragging and dropping, I can see that, and it will show you that how many total number of columns, total number of rows we have, that is 9,944, right. This many data, that is rows we have, and at the top you can see that it will show you that how many total rows, 10,000. So, we discussed in previous lab also, previous session also about that if you want to see only 10 data, 10 rows, when you click on 10 and enter, it will display only 10 rows of data. It will not display other data. So, first 10 rows data is going to be displayed. If you want 100, even you can change here to 100, it will show you 100. And if you do not know that what is the total number of rows we have, then you just press, let me press like 30,000. Okay. When I hit enter, what will happen? It will show only what is the total number, that is 9,914 rows, 94 rows we have here. That way you can look at the data without drag and drop also. So, this is one feature. As we said that either you can drag and drop toward right side, also the data will be visible at the bottom.